Tangrams are a wonderful puzzle and tool for children to use. They are incredibly versatile and allow children to be very, very creative. Tangrams have 7 pieces. They have 2 large triangles, 2 small triangles, 1 medium-sized triangle, a square, and a parallelogram. This one is a very important piece because you can see if I flip it over, it looks completely different. It has a different orientation. So when you're working with tangrams, what you can do is there are several puzzles. I have created a number of these puzzles. You can see all of these here have been created by me, and I placed them in your folder in Canvas so that you can access them if you want to. So this one is A for alligator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my pieces and I'm going to think about, what piece do I think will go where? So this is where children begin to start composing and decomposing shapes, larger shapes, more complex shapes. Well, when I look right here, this is kind of an interesting one. I think I see that parallelogram shape. So if I lay my parallelogram, I'm like, oh no, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. And you can talk to kids, well, oh my goodness, you're right. It doesn't fit. What can you do? Can you turn it? Well, it still doesn't fit. Oh, well, can you turn it some more? And so kids will rotate it around and around, and you'll talk to them about their rotating and rotating. You'll go, oh my goodness, what are we going to do? Then maybe you'll talk to the child and say, well, I could flip it. Oh, what happens if you, because that's what I would ask is, what happens if you flip it over like a pancake? Wow, that totally did fit. Okay, so now I'm seeing something that's big right here, and I have this big triangle right here. Does that fit there? Oh no, that doesn't fit. Does it fit this way? Oh no, that doesn't fit, and it knocked everything. What about if I keep rotating it? Does it fit that way? Ooh, wait a minute. That looks like it might fit that way, and I'll put my parallelogram back here. Oh my goodness. Ooh, now that looks like another big triangle, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, that is a big triangle, but I don't think that's going to help me. Somehow that doesn't look like, I'm trying to think what might go there. I don't know. I'm put that one away because I don't think that's going to work. What if I put it over here? Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. Oh, what shape have I made here? Which one of these triangles? I think this one. Oops. Ran away from me there. And go ahead. Can you guys tell that I didn't plan this out ahead of time as I'm working on this? Oh my goodness. This square. Where can I put this square? Okay, well, what if I put it, oh my goodness, now I have 2 triangle pieces that I can fit in here. And you can see that I have created an alligator using my 7 tangram pieces.